I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions in Discord so you can create webhooks, because without managed webhooks you can't proceed. Once that's set, open Discohook in a modern browser and allow pop-ups. This avoids OAuth interruptions. Then, click Sign in with Discord and choose the target server and channel. This registers Discohook. Make sure to select the channel you intend to post to, because webhooks inherit channel-level settings and permissions immediately. Now generate a webhook in Discord's Channel Integrations tab and copy the full URL. This is the connection token. Once copied, paste it into Discohook's webhook field. Configure the visible username and avatar so messages are identifiable. Next, build an embed, add title, description, color, and fields, use timestamps where useful. Then send a test message via Discohook to confirm payload formatting. And finish by using Discohook's JSON mode if you need advanced embeds or conditional fields, because it gives full control over payload structure. Also, respect Discord rate limits. Sending too many messages quickly will get blocked. Paste scripts and retry with exponential backoff. If messages fail to appear, recheck the webhook URL, ensure the webhook still exists, verify channel permissions, and that the webhook hasn't been banned. One quick fix is regenerating the webhook and pasting the new URL into Discohook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.